Okay, good morning students. Let's solve some more questions based on quadratic equations. So here is question. Two water taps taps together together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. Okay, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. separately separately. So find the time, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, now let's solve. Okay, let's understand the question once again. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So solution. Let T1 be the tap of larger diameter and T2 be the tap of smaller diameter. Okay, so this is a tap, this is a tank, and it is a tap. So it is T1 and it is T2 and it is water. Okay students, So T1 is a tap of larger diameter and T2 is a smaller diameter. Now, water filled in a tank by 1 hour. Water filled in a tank by 1 hour. This will be 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2 is equal to 1 upon 9 3 by 8. Okay, so this implies that 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2 is equal to 8 by 75. Also it is given that T1 is equal to T2 minus 10. So since tap 1 takes 10 hours less than the tap 2. Okay, so from these two equations, 1 upon T2 minus 10 plus 1 upon T2 is equal to 8 upon 75. This is equal to T2 plus T2 minus 10 upon T2 minus 10. This is equal to 8 upon 75. Just taken the LCM. Now T2 plus T2, it is 2T2 minus 10 upon T2 square minus 10T2 is equal to 8 by 75. So it becomes 150 T2 minus 750 is equal to 8 T2 square minus 80 T2. So this implies 8 T2 square minus 230 T2 plus 750 is equal to 0, or this can be written as 4 T2 square minus 115 T2 plus 375 is equal to itna. So this can be written as 4 T2 square minus 100 T2 minus 15 T2 plus 375 is equal to 0. Now we can take 4 T2 common, so it is T2 minus 25 minus 15 T2 minus 25 is equal to 0. So 4 T2 minus 15 and T2 minus 25 is equal to 0. So this implies that T2 is equal to 15 by 4 hours, or T2 is equal to 25 hours. Now students, if we put T2 is equal to 15 by 4 hours in our equation number 2, then T1 becomes negative. And since time cannot be negative, so T2 is equal to 15 by 4 hours is ignored. Okay, so T2 is 25 hours and T1 is equal to T2 minus 10. So this is equal to 25 minus 10. This is equal to 15 hours T1. So T1 is equal to 15 hours and T2 is equal to 25 hours. Okay students, I think this is clear to you. Now why it is ignored? Because if we put T2 is equal to 15 by 4 here, then 15 by 4 will be around about 3 point something, and 3 point something minus 10 gives the negative result. So T1 will be negative, so which is not possible. Okay students.